Today on the farm. This is the second thing today. I forgot to show you the babies. They are getting big. It won't be long, they'll be out of here. Yeah, baby birds. So, here's the greenhouse. Whoops. Yep. Everything in here is kind of green. In the summertime, it's really hard to keep things green, even in a greenhouse, because it's so hot in here. And I don't do a whole lot in here. I keep a lot of stuff in here. But I have some box turtles, and I'd like to show you them, but Mr. Box Turtle is wanting to wrestle. So let me see if I can unwrestle them, and I'll show you my box turtles. There's two of them. There's Mr. Box Turtle. There's Mrs. Box Turtle. And then there's a third one around here. She's been right there, but she's not there now. They just got a whole bunch of worms to eat. And then there's their tomatoes for tomorrow and Sunday. I don't see number 3. But turned a lizard loose in here a little while ago. And I just keep all kinds of stuff in here. Alright, well, I'm about ready to go home. So y'all have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week when I'm on the farm. When I'm at the farm.